If you're a weekend warrior and you change your own oil in a Buick Encore 1.4 liter, here are two things you can do to save yourself a lot of time and a lot of frustration. First, get rid of the original drain plug. It's 10 mil, it's soft metal, mine's stripped. I had to hammer on a 3/8 and in combination with vice grips, take it off that way. So I'm replacing it with this one. Here's the part number, and it's a 1/2 inch socket. No more messing around with little dinky rinky-dink sockets. The next thing is to get a good setup to remove your oil filter cap. Get a shallow 15/16 socket on a universal joint, 4-inch extender, and believe me, it becomes super easy. No fuss, no muss. You can see it fits on so easy. All in, I've got $12 for the drain plug. I found the universal joint and the 15/16 socket used for $6. Best money I've ever spent. Do yourself the same, you'll save a lot of time and money. I hope this was helpful. So much faster and easier for me.